Hey guys, so I'm just going to quickly go over the contract with you, over the most important parts. This is the amount that they're putting down because it's a conventional loan. It's a larger amount, which is good. They're financing $185,250. And then if you add these two numbers together, you'll get 195, which is their offer. This is where they are depositing their earnest money, which is 1% of their offer. First priority title. I like this title company because their fees are cheaper, they do awesome work, and they will come to you for closing wherever you want them to go. It can be a restaurant, it can be the house, it can be a friend's house, as long as it's in the greater Houston area. Let's see. You're paying for the owner's title policy, which is standard, and that is on your net sheet. This shows that they are paying for the survey. The buyer, they have to get it within 14 days of the execution of this contract. They have received the seller's disclosure notice. They've already signed it. This says that they accept the property as is, but then if you look right here, it explains that they're still going to get an inspection. So they accept it as it is now, pending any repairs that they want to ask for, if they do. And right here, it kind of explains that. We had figured in $505 for the residential service contract. They asked for $495. They would like to close on or before May 18th. They're not asking for any closing cost. And so they're going to write you a check for $100 for that 10-day option period. So during this 10 days, they can have inspections done on the home. And it's like they're paying you for kind of holding it off the market while they get those inspections done. If they don't back out in that 10 days, then when they close, that $100 will be credited to them at closing. If for some reason they do back out, you keep that $100. So when you get that check, you can cash it as soon as you receive it. And then this is just all information, broker information. So now I'm going to go to this other form that they sent, which is for, there has to be an amount there. We already said that the fridge and the kitchen, the washer and dryer were included. So they added this as a non-realty addendum. Then the lead-based paint. They waive the right to inspect it for lead-based paint, which we totally knew is common. This is a third-party financing addendum. It's required if they're financing it through FHA or a VA loan or conventional loan. So this shows that this is the amount that they're financing. Remember, that does not include their down payment because they're not financing their down payment. 30 years, 5% interest, blah, blah, blah. And this right here is important because it says that if for some reason they can't obtain financing within 21 days, that, sorry, the cat just jumped on the bed and scared me. So what happens is within this 21 days, their lender is going to, with a fine-tooth comb, do their underwriting, their processing, and truly confirm that they can obtain financing for this house. Their pre-approval looks good though. They were approved for up to $237,000. So if their financing falls through for some reason, they can back out within 21 days and they can get their earnest money. After that 21 days, they cannot back out and you will get to keep their earnest money. 21 is actually The fewest number of days that I've seen written on a contract lately, it's been 27, 37. Realtors try to sneak in as many days as they can. So this shows me that this is a strong buyer. And that's the end of that form. So if you guys accept this offer, I can send it over to you for signatures. I also sent you some inspection reports to look at, kind of just showing you some of the silly things that they mention on here, but they are required to mention if they see them by the state of Texas because they are licensed through the state of Texas. So, just little things you notice. Now, if you see something like that, don't go and fix it. It's just kind of explaining why this happened, why the corner pops. But just take a look and see if there's anything that maybe you can take care of on your own so that you don't have these dings on your inspection report. And it's also interesting just to see some of the things that they include. A lot of these, and the ones I sent you, are roof related, and your roof is so new that you probably won't have any of those issues to worry about. So I will talk to you soon.